Vlegel van het Eikhof. Olympic Uricas, combined with sibling to 1.50 m level horse. Under Harry Smolders, sire Uricas van de Kattevennen competed in the individual final of the Olympic Games and already won the Grand Prix of Riesenbeck and St. Gallen. Uricas has made a promising start in breeding as well. Vlegel van de Eikhof was bred from a sibling to the international 150 level show jumper Bill Clinton, ridden by Yuri Ito, and this dam line traces in the third generation back to the international 140 level competing mare Puertois. This versatile performance family has also produced the international 145 level show jumper Wundin, ridden by Laura Kraut.